we have base and a height and area, right? We're talking about these three variables, but we know that the base and the height are equal. So we want to write an equation, right, that relates the area to the height. We know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, so it's going to be base times height divided by 2. But we know that base is equal to the height. So what I can do is replace the base with the height itself. Then I can get h squared over 2. Right? But this is the same thing as saying 1/2 times h squared. Okay? So we have this. So if I graph the area versus the height, it's going to look something like this. So here's the height and here's the area, right? If the height is 0, we get that the area is 0, right? If the height is 1, right, I get that the area, right, if I plug in for 1, it's going to be 1/2 1 squared, that's 1/2. Okay, so when h is 1, the area is half. When h is 2, this is going to be 4 divided by 2, right? So then you get 2. So at 2, you get 2, right? And it's just going to be like this. Now the thing is, right, we cannot actually include the point 0, 0, okay? So we can't include this point just because, right, if the base and the height are related, and if the height and the base are 0, then you don't even have a triangle, right? It's just nothing, right? So we can't include the 0, 0. And if that's the case, technically speaking, there is no h and a intercepts, okay? If we could include this, right? So if we could include, right, the height and base being 0, then we have an intercept, right? The h and a intercept would be 0, 0, okay? But again, the domain of this has to be that the height has to be bigger than 0, right? Because again, if you have a height of 0, then the base is 0, then you don't even have a triangle. It's just nothing, okay? As for the range, right, the range is talking about area, right? You can't have negative area, nor can we really have 0 area. So as long as the area is bigger than 0, we're also good.